Bata is a well known brand in India, especially for school shoes and reliable footwear. Its shoes became a staple for school children, office workers, and many others. Indians love Bata. Do you think that Bata is an Indian brand? No, Bata is not a homegrown brand. It is not from India. Bata actually started as a family business in the Czech Republic and is now based in Switzerland. Bata is not an Indian brand. In 1894, a Czech man named Tomas Bata noticed that shoes were too expensive and he could not afford them. So, along with his siblings, he decided to make canvas shoes instead of leather since it was costly. The shoes were simple, comfortable, and very light. Locals began asking for them, and soon people across the Czech Republic started buying because they were affordable. They were happy. In 1912, Bata set up a factory and employed 600 people to make shoes through mechanized methods. Sales shot up and the business grew rapidly. They were pleased, but then World War I began in 1914 and lasted till 1918. The Czech Republic's economy collapsed, sales dropped, and chaos spread. Tomas Bata then decided to cut the price of his shoes by half. It was an excellent strategy. Immediately, sales soared in Czech and the business was revived. Splendid. By 1924, Bata had 112 branches across the world. What about India? The Indian shoe market was earlier dominated by Japanese imports. Bata opened its first store in Kolkata in 1931. The sales soared through the roof. Observing this, Bata set up a factory in 1932 in Konnar, a village near Kolkata. The production site had to be doubled in size because the demand was so high. Konnar was renamed and the township came to be known as Batanagar. By 1939, Bata was selling 3,500 pairs of shoes every week with almost 4,000 employees. People love the brand for its affordability and variety, like slip ons, flip flops, school shoes, and more. Everyone has been buying Bata for a long time. By 1973, Bata became a publicly traded company in India and opened many stores. Indians preferred Bata as they needed tough, comfortable footwear for daily use, especially for things like taking public buses, trains, walking, etc. From 2013 to 14 onwards, Bata worked hard to modernize and attract younger customers by launching new designs regularly. Bata continues its global reach in 2025, operating in 90 plus countries with a network of over 5,300 retail outlets worldwide. Amazing. In India, Bata has grown to 14,500 outlets today. This includes franchise outlets, company owned stores, and multi brand distribution chains. Bata is a popular choice for customers. Fabulous. Bata sales in India jumped from 30 million pairs 2 years ago to 47 million pairs in 2024-25, marking a significant surge of 17 million pairs. Excellent. CMO Anand Narang said that in India, every household from the poorest to the richest would have at least one pair of Bata. Expensive brands like Nike, Adidas, and others, some households may have them, some may not. But for Bata, whether it's slippers or shoes, every Indian household surely has at least one pair. He knows this. Rightfully so. Interesting because even I own a pair of Bata slippers, and I'm sure most households do as well. What about you? Do you have Bata at home? Share your thoughts in the comments. Additionally, Bata's Indian ambassadors include Kriti Sanon, Smriti Mandhana, and Sara Ali Khan, who are promoting the brand and making it even more popular.